Take your family's taste buds on a delicious trip to Italy this Thanksgiving with our Italian mother-in-law dressing. In a small bowl, combine raisins and chicken broth. Let them soak for 30 minutes or until they become soft and plump. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and add the chard, cooking, stirring often until the leaves are wilted. In the same skillet used to cook the chard, heat the remaining olive oil and half a stick of butter. Once the butter is melted, add onions and garlic. Cook, stirring often until the onions become a gorgeous golden brown. Stir red wine vinegar and a tablespoon of sugar into the onions and let the vinegar cook until it is almost evaporated. Add the cooked chard, onion mixture, soaked raisins and soaking broth, olives, toasted pine nuts, Italian seasoning, rosemary, salt, and red pepper flakes to the large bowl of bread cubes. Gently toss to combine the ingredients, whisk together remaining broth and eggs, and stir that into the dressing as well. Transfer the dressing to a large buttered casserole dish and tightly cover with foil. This is a holiday dressing that will make mouth-watering memories at the table.